Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here at Joseph Motors. I'm Nick Watson. Just wanted to add another new vehicle we've got. It's a 2017 Ford F250 XL 4x4. It's an extended cab utility body that we've got in. Super nice shape. We're going to go over a few highlight points on this thing. We'll walk in, we'll show you what we got. Of course, utility body, nap heat body, all really nice and crispy. New tires wrapped all the way around it. Let your time go on the inside here. Just do a quick highlights of the inside. This thing's going to have power windows, power locks. It's pretty much an XL with rubber floor mats. So just a super nice unit. Natural utility body. And this has got the napkin slider on it too. It's super nice and cool. Keeps everything dry on the inside. Chain pulls, this slides back and forth. It's got a tow prep package on it with the tow package. Tow prep ready for trailer tow group. 10-ply tires are wrapped around it. Go on this side here. No rips or tears in the seats. Fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. Just a super clean unit. If you have any questions about this unit here at Joseph Motors, we'd love to hear from you. You can call us at 919-661-2886. Visit us at our website, josephmotorsnc.com. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm Nick Watson. Have a great day.